Yeah, that about killed us. So guys, I don't know if you can see us real good. Come over here now. I got the wife working with me today. And I don't know if she's ever been actually working with me on somebody that's not her family's job site. But anyway, Granny's got the kids today and she wanted to come to work, so she's already been pushing a bunch of mortar mix and concrete mix in a wheelbarrow. She's been out here packing block. I'm proud of her. How's your back feel?
It hurts.
But we appreciate y'all watching. What we're doing here is we're about 6 foot underground, and Lord willing, what we're going to try to do is lay a block wall. I'll show you here. I know the lighting's not great, but it is what it is. We replaced this hot water heater and put it upstairs for them, and from the flood it knocked this wall out. So we're going to put a new block wall in here and then lay one in front of this old one that's all busted up. And we're just doing that for, this wall is not truly a load-bearing wall, but we don't want that dirt slipping off. So we'll lay a wall, and if it was to slip any, the wall would catch it, and that'll keep that wall from ever slipping off and worrying about that side of the house sagging any. So we still got a lot of work to do. We got our little setup here. We got our mixer down here. My wife wheelbarrowed almost every bit of this by herself, and she's working hard this morning. I'm proud of her. The mortar mix, concrete mix. We got the electricity ran down here. We just got to get her water supply, and we got to do some shoveling and cleaning up, leveling this part up, and we'll be laying block in no time. So guys, we need a piece of wood to kind of form up a little concrete form down there, and the wife has a bright idea here. We got a pallet. We didn't get no wood for forms because I didn't really think we'd have to have any, but this pallet wood, we're going to put it to good use. We'll just take that, pop them nails out, and we got us a piece for a form.
Yeah, what are we eating for lunch today?
I brought us some mixed nuts and some granola bars.
Nuts. You bring me some?
Yeah, I got you some. Sound like a good lunch?
I guess. Free labor and nuts for lunch.
What you doing, babe?
Trying to figure this mask out.
You ever wore one of those?
No. How far does this go?
On top of your head?
Like that?
Yeah, there you go. Now you got to squeeze that part around your nose. Let me show you. Hold still.
Not too hard.
Hold still.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
How's it feel?
Can't breathe.
Feel super healthy?
No.
More water. All right. That's good. We bought a brand new hammer drill. We're gonna put this thing to the test, drilling some holes to put rebar in. We poured a little concrete pad there and brought that up the same level as that, because they did drop it and cut that block, so that way I didn't have to cut block. I just poured some concrete. And sorry for the poor lighting again. There's a chalk line where this wall will run to. So this wall going this way, I butted that block there, and we laid us a line to lay to, and we had to move that block in and out to get it on 16s. Those blocks are 15 and a half. That leaves you about 3/8 of an inch. A little less than that for mortar on each side of the block. So we laid that and made sure we had our room for a full span so we don't have to cut blocks. Hope that makes sense. If it don't, leave a comment below and I'll try to explain it better. But we just moved that one in and out. Well, here, I'll show you on a tape measure. Pull it out there, right? When she pulls that to the end of that block down there, we made sure that this one come to a 16, 8 foot exactly. And she had to move it in and out until we got that. And we got a line to lay to through there. And I'm actually think I'm going to take on this first run here, and I'm going to kick this block sideways on the both bottoms, and that'll give it a little bit of in and out support for the wall. And I think I'll do that here. And I may lay a half right here too, and a half out on the end. And then the second run up, we can do the same thing. And I'll show you guys. It'll make sense better here in a minute. But we're going to get the laying block. First hole done. So guys, it's been a long day, and we're on the last run of block, and we got a sludge ollies block, which is just filling the cores up. Put some rebar in them, and it's looking good. We got to tool the joints. We tooled the joints on that smaller wall over there, but I'll show y'all what we've got done. My wife came out, and she's a super champ. Just awesome that she came out yesterday and packed blocks side by side with me. Not very many women would do that, so made me super proud of her, and she volunteered to do it and asked if she could, and I was like, yeah, come on. So we had fun and went out to eat yesterday evening, had a good time. Back this morning and got a good friend of mine, Will, out this morning helping me some, and here's what we got done. We're on the last run here, and this wall here, we did it first. It's got 2 kickers. We sludged it. It's got rebar in it. It's a solid wall, super solid. This one, rebar. It's got 1 kicker, and it's got an 1.25 inch gap between that wall and that wall. So I mean, this wall is going to be super, super solid. And you can see here we're almost done. We took and got some extra block and stacked it in there, and later on after this concrete cures, really need to come back and put some gravel or dirt or something in front of all that. But that'll be a future project for her. We're just trying our best to get it fixed up and get these walls in so she ain't got to worry about this whole sidewall just collapsing out. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'll show you when we're completely finished, kind of go over it one more time, but just want to give you an update. I ain't got my tripod. It's actually at another job site. I left it, so that's why I don't have it set on time lapse or anything today. So guys, we got it. It's after dark, and we got her finished though. It looks good. I feel good about it. And now we can take and finish cleaning up and get out of here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. God bless. See you later. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Do it now.